So you know what? I'm thinking it is time for a fresh, crisp, new look for the new year. Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell so you will not miss any upcoming videos. For my faithful family members, you all know I love you so much. And guys, today I am so super excited because we are in the living room and we are going to be taking down all of the Christmas decor and refreshing the space for the new year. So guys, let me also say this video is in participation of the Hop Around the House Clean and Decorate collaboration, which is hosted by Nicole North Garden Home and Garden. Hi Nicole, thanks so much for hosting this collaboration yet again. You guys know I've participated several times. It's always so much fun, and it's motivation to get your house cleaned up if you need that. And sometimes I have to say, I need that. Especially when it comes to taking down Christmas decor. That can be a large job, and sometimes I know I need motivation to get started. And so hopefully this video and this Hop collaboration will be just the motivation that you need to get started if you haven't already. So the way the Hop works is, after you've completed watching my video, you'll go down to my description box and click the link to the next video. You'll watch their video and go to their description box and click the link there, and you'll hop to each video until you end up back here at my video. That's when you know you've completed the Hop. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I'll be doing, just keep watching. guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. If so, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. You know that helps me out tremendously. Also, it helps when you leave comments, so be sure to leave me a comment down below to let me know what you think about my space. I know that it is completely neutral, and you guys know how much I love color, but right now I think it is so refreshing to just have a really neutral, soft palette. So it's very calming and soothing for me after having so much going on for Christmas. I always feel like it's nice to have like a more minimal look to start the new year out. And I think it'll be nice to just have the house not decorated for a change. Of course, there's some decorations around, but they're not seasonal. This is just like an everyday look. So leave me a comment down below to let me know what you guys think about what I have going on so far. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell so you will not miss any upcoming videos. If you're new here from the hop, thank you so much for stopping by. Please also be sure to hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it definitely helps my channel out tremendously. Also, as a reminder, be sure to go down to my description box and click the link to the next video so that you'll continue on the hop until you end up back here again. For my faithful family members, you all know I love you so very much. And of course, I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.